Okay, good morning, dear student. I think yesterday we have seen that if there is common average, right? We have given you the example of four batsmen and their different score, and finally we were getting common average of their score. Total was 200 and average used to get 50. In such cases, measurement of central tendency of statistical tool is failing. Then what we need to do? We need to go one step beyond, and we have to go for measurement of dispersion. That means from average how much it is variable, how variable, to what extent it is variable, etc., etc. And in measurement of dispersion, we have seen uh, your range and quartile deviation. Am I right? Range and quartile deviation is done yesterday. So now we will be going for mean deviation today. Okay. So now let us go for mean deviation. So today we'll be going to learn mean deviation. Acha, have you got the answer of this question which we have given yesterday? Coefficient you got? I think quartile deviation was 12.75. What was coefficient of quartile deviation? You got it? We will write. Otherwise, let it be. So today again we will not waste our time to the things which has been already done. We'll be learning something new. That is mean deviation. So again, there is a logic whereby they state where the range and quartile deviation do not say the any factor is from the average. However, mean deviation and standard deviation help us to achieve the dispersion. So where again the range and quartile deviation is failing, in that cases we go for mean deviation and standard deviation. Okay. What is the formula for mean deviation? Very simple. First, sum of deviation from mean, median or mode divide by number of items. So let us write down the formula also. Okay. Take down the formula today. Again, it will be a repetition of entire thing. First, we need to calculate their mean, then mean deviation from mean or mean deviation from mode. So again, it will be a repetition what we have learned earlier. These are the steps. And these are the coefficients. Take down this much, then we will start with the problem. As I have rightly stated, first you have to calculate mean, median, mode, as we have seen earlier of different series, what we have learned during previous lectures. And then we will calculate the mean deviation from mean or mean deviation from mode or mean deviation from median. Completed. Then deviation coefficient is very simple. Mean deviation divided by median or mean deviation divided by mean likewise. So now let us go for so here it will be daily wages and these are frequencies. Of course, frequency will be number of person only. Wages किसको मिलेगा? इंसान को ही मिलेगा. So kindly help me out with the data. Is 15, 18, तो ये भी ले लेते हैं. 15 कितने बंदे को मिल रहा है? 2 बंदे को मिल रहा है. 18 कितने को मिल रहा है? 3. 20, 10 people are getting. 25, 12 are getting. 30, again 10 are getting. 35, 5 people are getting. 40, 42 and 45. 5, 2 and 1. 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5. Is this perfect now? Just let me know. इसको क्या लेंगे बेटा आप लोग? याद करो मीन का, दिस विल बी एक्स, दिस विल बी एफ। अब हमको क्या निकालना है, मीन निकालना है। मीन का कौन सा फॉर्मूला आएगा, एफ एक्स अपॉन एफ, यस और नो। तो फाइंड आउट करो मीन पहला, तो यहाँ आ जाएगा आपका एफ एक्स, एफ एक्स इतनी एफ एक्स इक्वल टू, am I right? Are you getting this? What is the summation? ये टोटल क्या होगा, समेशन ऑफ एफ, दिस इज समेशन ऑफ एफ एक्स, समेशन ऑफ एफ कितना आ रहा है आपका, आर यू गेटिंग 50? आई एम गेटिंग 50, आई एम यूटिलाइजिंग एक्सेल नाउ। एफ एक्स 1473, देखो यहाँ पे मुझे सारा डिटेल आ रहा है, yes or no? 1473, let me see what is there in the book also. Yes, I was absolutely right. Yes or no? Got everyone? So what is mean now? What is the mean now then? I think this answer which is given is wrong. 50 into 20, it will be 1000. Huh? यहाँ पे ये wrong calculation. Am I right? Yes, 29.46 आ रहा है। Okay, ठीक है, आप हमारा जो आंसर है, we will go ahead with that. तो मीन का फॉर्मूला मुझे यहाँ से उठाना पड़ेगा। Summation of fx upon summation. So what we are getting, 1473. How much we got? 29.45 na 75. इसको 30 कर लो ना, तो ज्यादा बेहतर हो जाएगा। इसको 1500 कैसे कर सकते हैं? इसमें कितना ऐड करना है अभी? 27। ये तो सारा चीज बहुत फ्रैक्शन फ्रैक्शन में आएगा। देखो तो अभी आई एम गेटिंग दिस। व्हाट अबाउट यू ऑल? जस्ट सी, I have done little modification in the question. Are you getting this? 1550. Just let me know. Are you getting now 1500? See, to avoid fractions, I have done this little modification in our given question. So now I am going to get these. Hmm. And we will going to take the positive value only. तो 15 माइनस 30 कितना आएगा? 15 माइनस 30, 15 15 माइनस सर 18 माइनस 30, 12 पॉजिटिव फिगर ही लेना है अपने को, माइनस 12 आएगा, फिर भी 12 ही लेना है। 10 5 0 5 10 12 See, it might not be the same, यहाँ पे तो अच्छा आ रहा है आपका वैल्यू, बिकॉज मैंने थोड़ा मॉडिफाई कर दिया क्वेश्चन, इट माइट बी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट, नो प्रॉब्लम। तो ये वैल्यू क्या आ गया आपका? डी आ गया। अब मुझे क्या चाहिए? एफ इंटू डी चाहिए। नाउ व्हाट आई वांट? एफ डी मल्टीप्लाई करो फ्रीक्वेंसी इंटू डी एंड गेट मी द वैल्यू। फ्रीक्वेंसी इंटू डी एंड गेट मी द वैल्यू। संजय 2 इंटू 15 कितना आएगा? ये 30 आएगा। 2 इंटू 12 कितना आएगा? 24 आएगा। 5 इंटू 10 50 आएगा। Yes or no? The same thing we did here also. X minus 20. Okay. अभी 15 minus 20 करोगे तो क्या आएगा? -5. But what they have taken positive 5. 18 minus 20 करोगे तो -2. But you will have to take positive. If these values will always be in positive. Don't take negative one. Okay. And then F into D. F क्या है? फ्रीक्वेंसी। D का वैल्यू क्या निकला मेरा? 5, F into D 10, F into D 6, F into D 0. So same thing we are doing here. Yes or no? In our question. Get me? 10 into 5, 50. 12 into 0, 0. 10 into 5, 50. 5 into 10, 50. 2 into 12, 24. And 2 into 15, 30. What is the total? 308 I am getting. Is this correct? Are you getting the same? I'm getting assistance of my Excel and try to take the help. Now I'm going to tell you how you are using the Excel for your research work also. It will be a great help. Are you getting 308? Dear student, are you getting? Okay. Thank you, Reena, Priyal, Supriya. Yes, 308. So now what I need to do? I need to calculate. So now I am going to calculate mean deviation from mean. So whatever FD we will get divided by F, summation of FD upon summation of F. का फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? Mean deviation from mean. Summation of FD upon summation of F. What is summation of FD? P08 divided by summation of F 50. How much you got from mean deviation from mean? 6.16. Just verify whether you are getting this answer or not. Then last but not the least, coefficient coefficient of mean deviation. That is mean deviation divided by mean. So how much you'll get? How much is my mean deviation? 6.16 divided by mean. 30. So what is my answer? 0.20533. Are you getting something like this? The same thing is there here also. They calculated this, then mean deviation, summation of FD upon summation of F, same 50. Then mean deviation divided by mean. Okay. Before going to continuous series, let us do the practice of another question which we had for mean only. These will be your homework. You should practice at home. यही वाला क्वेश्चन किया क्या रे अपन? ये वाला question. This is marks in financial accounting. 15, 18, 20 out of 50. Now get me the total of this. 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus 20 plus 20 plus 14 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. कितना आ रहा है? Honestly speaking, this is not difficult, but only the lengthy process. I hope you must be understanding what I mean to explain over here. कितना आ रहा है टोटल देखो जरा. 6 plus 12, 18, 18 plus 18, 36, 36 plus 20, 36 plus 20, 56, 101 आ रहा है ना. So I want to make it 100. मैं क्या करता हूँ, इसको 19 कर देता हूँ. Now it's 100. Take it as homework. Tomorrow morning your lecture will not be there. This lecture I have taken extra last week. Let me see if I'll get time on Saturday. I'll keep your lecture. Okay. 8 o'clock I have another lecture. So I can't take your lecture tomorrow morning. So kindly practice this kind of question at home, which will make your things better. Now it is 100. So I hope you will do it. Try to get